Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result. 1 year post-op with before and after photo on an African American man who had a receding hairline in corner, and basically what we did was the FUE to lower his hairline, to recreate his hairline for him. So just to show the audience what he looked like before. And that was it. That's the front view. Left side view, right side view, right view. And now, this way here. A year later, very natural. And basically, what we did was just lower his hair, frontal hairline, around an inch, and make it nice and perfect. And this by the FUE method.